You've probably noticed that everything online today sounds the same. Start a podcast, become a creator, sell digital products, or build a huge following. But honestly, most people are not trying to become internet celebrities. They just want a simple way to earn more money and improve their situation. If that sounds like you, then this video may open your eyes. I spent hours researching and found 7 powerful machines that are quietly helping ordinary people turn small investments into real income streams. Some of these machines can be operated from home, some work as side hustles on weekends, and others can grow into full-time businesses over time. And trust me, machine number 3 is something most people completely ignore, even though it can generate repeat income again and again. If you want the names, suppliers, or full details for these machines, comment "I'm ready" below and I'll share more information. Let's get started. Number 7. Portable Ice Cube Vending Machine. The everyday profit machine. This machine solves a simple problem that people deal with every single day: needing ice quickly. Portable ice vending machines are becoming popular in gas stations, small events, roadside businesses, and even residential areas. The setup is straightforward. The machine produces clean ice cubes automatically and stores them until customers buy them. Some models also dispense filtered water, which adds another income stream. The reason this business works is because ice is always in demand, especially during hot seasons, outdoor gatherings, sports events, and food delivery operations. The process is simple and beginner-friendly. You install the machine in a good location, connect it to water and electricity, and let the system handle most of the work. Customers can pay through coins, cards, or mobile payments. Many modern machines can even be monitored remotely through an app. Startup costs usually range from $3,000 to $8,000 depending on the size and features. The production cost per bag of ice is very low, often under 50 cents, while it can sell for $2 to $5 per bag. This creates strong profit margins over time. One advantage is that the machine can operate 24 hours a day without needing constant supervision. Small grocery stores, apartment areas, parks, and roadside locations are ideal places for this setup. What makes this business attractive is the low daily effort once everything is installed. It's simple, scalable, and can become a reliable source of recurring income. Number 6. Automatic Candle Making Machine. Small product, big margins. Candles may seem simple, but the market around them is huge. Decorative candles, scented candles, and luxury candles are now sold everywhere from gift shops to online stores. This machine helps automate the production process and makes it easier for beginners to enter the business. The process starts by melting wax and adding fragrance or color. The machine then pours the mixture into molds evenly and consistently. Some advanced setups can handle multiple molds at the same time, which increases production speed. This business works because candles are connected to home decor, relaxation, gifts, and seasonal events. Demand stays strong throughout the year, especially during holidays and celebrations. Startup costs can range from $1,500 to $5,000 depending on production size and automation level. The cost to produce one candle can be under $2, while premium candles often sell for $10 to $40 each depending on packaging and branding. You can sell these products through online marketplaces, gift stores, social media shops, or local events. Some people also create custom candles for weddings and businesses. What makes this interesting is the branding potential. Even simple candles can look premium with good packaging and presentation. It's a business that combines creativity with strong profit margins. Before we continue, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more business ideas that normal people can actually start. Your support helps the channel grow and keeps these videos coming. Now let's move to a machine connected to one of the fastest growing industries right now: pets. Number 5. Automatic Pet Treat Machine. A growing industry. Few people notice the pet industry continues to grow every year, and many owners are willing to spend extra money on healthier food and treats for their animals. This machine helps produce pet treats in different shapes and sizes using ingredients like chicken, peanut butter, oats, or vegetables. The process is simple. You prepare the mixture, place it inside the machine, and it shapes and processes the treats automatically. Some setups also include drying or baking systems to improve shelf life. Startup costs usually range from $2,000 to $6,000 depending on the production capacity. The production cost per pack is relatively low, while premium pet treats can sell for high prices in stores and online. Customers today are looking for healthier and more natural options for their pets, which creates strong demand in this market. You can sell these products through pet stores, online platforms, veterinary clinics, or local pet events. Some people even create subscription boxes for repeat customers. What makes this business powerful is the repeat purchase behavior. Pet owners buy treats regularly, which creates recurring revenue over time. Number 4, liquid soap production machine. The simple business that never stops selling soap is one of those products people use every single day without thinking about it. Homes, offices, restaurants, schools, gyms, and hotels constantly need cleaning products, which creates steady demand all year long. This machine allows small business owners to produce liquid soap, dishwashing liquid, hand wash, and cleaning solutions in large quantities without needing a huge factory setup. The process is easier than most people expect. You combine the ingredients inside the mixing tank, add fragrance or color if needed, and the machine blends everything evenly. After that, the liquid can be poured into bottles and labeled for sale. Some advanced systems also include automatic filling and sealing features, which save even more time during production. Startup costs usually range from $2,000 to $7,000 depending on the equipment size and automation level. The production cost per bottle is very low, often under $1, while the selling price can range from $3 to $10 or more depending on branding and packaging. One of the biggest advantages is flexibility. You can create different cleaning products using the same setup and test which items perform best in your local market. Customers can include supermarkets, offices, salons, schools, restaurants, or even direct online buyers. Some small businesses also offer custom branding for hotels or local companies. What makes this business powerful is that cleaning products are necessities, not luxury items. Even during slow economies, people still buy soap and household cleaners. It's simple to learn, scalable, and has strong repeat customer potential. Number 3, custom printing machine. The business powered by Trends. This machine allows you to print designs on products like t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, phone cases, tote bags, and hats. Social media trends, memes, sports, and custom gifts have made personalized products more popular than ever. The setup is beginner-friendly and works especially well for people who want to start from home. The process is straightforward. You create or download a design, place the item into the machine, and transfer the print using heat or direct printing technology. Some setups focus only on clothing, while others can handle multiple types of products. Startup costs usually range between $1,500 and $5,000 depending on the machine type and product variety. The reason this business works is because customers love unique and personalized products. A shirt that costs only a few dollars to produce can sell for $20 to $50 depending on the design and audience. Profit margins become even stronger when products are tied to trends, events, or niche communities. You can sell through online stores, social media pages, local markets, or print-on-demand platforms. Some people also partner with influencers, schools, gyms, or local businesses for bulk orders. One major advantage is that you can start small and expand gradually without needing a large warehouse or staff. What makes this business attractive is the creativity and flexibility. New trends appear constantly, which creates endless opportunities for new products. With consistent designs and smart marketing, this can grow into a strong online brand over time. Before we continue, take a second to subscribe if you're enjoying these business ideas. The goal of this channel is to show realistic ways people can start earning without needing millions of dollars. Now let's move to a machine connected to one of the busiest industries in the world, food. Number 2, commercial popcorn production machine. Cheap to make, easy to sell popcorn is one of the most profitable snack products because the ingredients are extremely inexpensive while the selling price stays surprisingly high. This machine helps automate popcorn production for small businesses, kiosks, cinemas, events, and packaged snack brands. The process is simple. Corn kernels are loaded into the machine along with oil or flavoring. Within minutes, large amounts of popcorn are produced and ready for packaging or direct sale. Some machines also include seasoning systems for flavors like cheese, caramel, butter, or spicy mixes. Startup costs can range from $1,000 to $4,000 depending on capacity and automation. The cost to produce a bag is often under 50 cents, while the selling price may range from $3 to $8 depending on location and branding. This creates very strong margins, especially in busy areas with high foot traffic. You can sell popcorn at events, malls, movie nights, schools, parks, or through packaged retail products. Some people even build entire snack brands starting with flavored popcorn alone. What makes this business powerful is the low ingredient cost and consistent demand. It's simple, scalable, and works well for beginners entering the food business. Number 1. Automatic water refill station. The business that runs everyday water is something people will always need, no matter the season or economy. This machine allows people to refill clean drinking water quickly while giving owners a business that can operate daily with steady demand. In many areas, customers prefer buying purified refill water instead of expensive bottled brands, which creates a strong opportunity for small business owners. The setup is simple and efficient. The machine filters and purifies water through multiple cleaning stages before dispensing it into customer containers or bottles. Some systems are fully automated and allow people to refill water using coins, cards, or mobile payments without needing staff present all the time. This makes the business easier to manage once everything is installed properly. Startup costs usually range from $3,000 to $10,000 depending on the size, filtration system, and automation features. The production cost per liter is extremely low, while the selling price remains profitable because clean water is considered essential. The machine can be installed near apartment buildings, schools, markets, gyms, gas stations, or busy neighborhoods where people regularly purchase drinking water. What makes this business attractive is the repeat customer behavior. People need water constantly, which means customers return again and again throughout the week.